Hello, welcome to the video. Today we are going to discuss how insertion sort is performed with the help of an example. Basically, insertion sort involves dividing the array into a sorted portion and an unsorted portion, followed by removing the first element from the unsorted portion and inserting it into the sorted section at the right position. Consider this array, which consists of a set of integers in an unsorted order. Initially, we assume the first element of the array to be the sorted section and the remaining portion of the array to be the unsorted section. We proceed by removing the first element in the unsorted section, which is 50 here. Now, to insert 50 into the right position in the sorted array, compare 50 with the last element of the sorted section, which is 70. Since 70 is greater than 50, shift 70 one place to the right. Since there are no more elements to be compared in the sorted section, 50 can now be inserted into the vacant position. With this, the first two elements form the sorted section of the array and the remaining elements form the unsorted section. We may now repeat the same steps as before. Remove the first element from the unsorted section, which is 20. Now compare 20 with the last element in the sorted section, which is 70. Since 70 is greater than 20, shift 70 one place to the right. Now compare 20 with the next element in the sorted section, which is 50. Again, since 50 is greater than 20, shift 50 one place to the right. And since there are no more elements to compare, 20 can be inserted into the now vacant position. With this, the first three elements form the sorted section and the remaining portion is the unsorted section. Now remove the first element from the unsorted section, which is 30. Compare 30 with the last element of the sorted section, which is 70. Since 70 is greater than 30, shift 70 by one position to the right. Now compare 30 with the next element, which is 50. Since 50 is also greater than 30, shift 50 by one position to the right. Now compare 30 with 20, and since 20 is less than 30, there is no need to shift 20. And 30 can be inserted into the vacant position in the array. Now repeat the same steps to insert the first element of the unsorted section 40 into the sorted section. Now try to insert 90 into the sorted section. For that, first compare 90 with the last element of the sorted section, which is 70. Since 70 is less than 90, there is no need to shift 70, and also there is no need to compare 90 with the remaining elements in the sorted section. Hence, 90 remains at the same position. Now repeat the same steps to insert 10 into the right position in the sorted section. Finally, perform the same steps to insert the last element 60 into the sorted section, and with this, the array gets completely sorted. Thank you for listening to me. Stay tuned for the algorithm of insertion sort and the remaining of the sorting algorithms.